I landed here where the mountains kiss the sky. In the breeze I heard the earth's soft sigh. The rivers whisper secrets old and true. Taiwan's beauty, a promise renewed. I stood by the ocean, waves crashing loud. The world feels still beneath the cloud. From Taroko cliffs to the quiet of the green, every path a place I've never seen. Life in Taiwan.
Hi guys, I just reached in Yilan Jiaoxi station, so I need to wait for my friend. It's a small station, but there's very beautiful rabbit here. That's very beautiful rabbit. And there is a Jiaoxi Holy Hot Spring is here. So I'm not sure we will go for the hot spring first or we go to the homestay to leave our luggage there. So I need to wait for them. Meanwhile, let's explore this area.
Rivers whisper secrets old and true. Taiwan's beauty, a promise renewed.
So as here is a small little park and also a swimming pool. So we have plenty of time here. So meanwhile my friend reach here. I will need to wait for them, so let's explore this area. It looks so beautiful. And here is one very beautiful swimming pool and hot spring. So a station for a spot. Jiaoxi visitor information, food, soaking pool, coffee shop, Jiaoxi Theater and Theater. So let's go from here.
Your story is told through the mountains, your rivers that cry. You hold my hand, you teach me to fly.
Here is a spring. Oh, it's cold. I thought it's a hot spring also, but it's very hot. It's very cold. So let's go around here. Soaking pool. And so guys, I just asked, so it's free. I try it myself. I need to wash the leg first, please.
I walk through the night, my soul taking flight. The sun, the softest in Taiwan.
We need to wash the leg first. So after that, I need to find a space to sit. There are a lot of people there. So meanwhile my friend reach here, I'm going to just dip my leg here. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go guys. Ah, it's gone.
Hot.
This one? Okay.
有的时候理论就给你，论出 路上再收入。
他怕别怕他。
还要找。先找到了方向。相反的方向。
That one is so hot, it's temperature around 34, 33, and this one is little bit cold. So you can see a lot of people here.
Stood by the ocean, waves crashing down. The world feels still. From turquoise clouds to the quiet of free.
So guys, this is the another side on the top. We're going to see the view from here. So guys, hot spring, I almost around 1 hour. I put my leg in the water. Oh, it's so cool. It's so cool and so cool. I love it. So now I try to explore this small park. Here's you going some stairs here, and there's a lot. All this park area, there is a lot of restaurants, hotels. So it's very beautiful. And you can see there are so many very beautiful chairs over there, and here is also kind of the auditorium or theater system. Yeah. So guys, this side showing the forest bath. So this one, there is a water's coming, and on this side is a bamboo trees. So let's see how it's a forest bath is look like. Yeah, first we will investigate. So you can see this view is very beautiful. The water is coming from here, and I listen some sound inside. I think we can go for bath. So it's a resort or public. Yeah, so this is very beautiful so far, guys. This is the view. So here, guys, I think it's some bathing ticket, I guess. So it's area for ice cream.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, well, thank you. General Center student ticket 200. Okay. Come later. So from here, guys, you can need to buy. From here, you need to buy the ticket to go inside. Not the ticket, like the price. If you are adult, it's 250, and if you are student, it's 200, and disability they have a discount also. So I think it's a very good price, not bad, because the food bath is very free there. So here I think 250 is not a bad price. So later when my friends come here, maybe we can go there. So guys, we see more to explore upward. Where is that area? Because this area is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I think you should visit here. I don't know why for a long time I never been here. I didn't know about this one. So last time my friend says let's go. These are good area. So far then I just planned to come. So it's very beautiful. So you can see there's a water is coming from and going all over the way. So here is a beautiful lantern here, and here's some playing music, and it's a coffee shop, guys. So it's a kind of an old house, and there's a coffee shop inside, so we can enjoy our coffee here. The view is so beautiful. I am not sure it's open or closed, but it's so beautiful. So guys, this is the small tour of this Jiaoxi Park food how to say hot spring, and there is a hot spring inside. So maybe we will go there later. I'm not sure because I don't know. I just following my friend's plan. So if they go there, we will show inside how it's look like. And also now, just wait for my friend. Let's go.